Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today we are going to make oat milk. For unsweetened oat milk, you just need 2 ingredients, oats and water. This recipe is for unsweetened oat milk. For flavored oat milk, just at this point add a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, for example. It's preferable to use a high-speed blender, but if you don't currently have one, your regular blender will do just fine. Just remember to give it plenty of time to blend completely, even if that means turning it off so the motor doesn't burn out and turning it back on. Currently, brown rice is next to impossible to find on the store shelves. You'll note that on this high plant-based recipe channel, I often use homemade unsweetened rice milk. Oats is a common ingredient in my recipes. I have plenty of oats in the pantry. So when the masses snatch up the rice, let us make oat milk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.